Okay, so customers got, let's see, 3 out of 5 good lugs on here. This one is cross-threaded and backed out where they couldn't even get a bite kind of thing. And so 2 of them need to be replaced. However, customer is like, just do the one, because 4 out of 5 ain't bad. So I gotta see if it's all the shit it took to get to this, to get it out enough to get it out to replace it. Might end up throwing them a new hub in there. I don't know. Alright, so I got 2 studs. I'm gonna go that method. I remember the customers like just throw 1 in there. Probably ain't big on money. So from my spare parts, plug nut stuff, try to help a guy out in a bucket. Yeah, we're gonna put 2 of these here. Go ahead and replace both of them. I know they said only do 1. Doing 2 since I'm in there anyway. Alright, so got it all back together. The 2 studs replaced. And I didn't end up throwing a new wheel bearing in it. I already put the tire buck on there, big fancy